Getting ready for the Christmas rally, putting together welcome bags for all of our participants. See you soon.
St. Nicholas is correct. Another guy knows exactly where to cut.
A lot of food.
Comet is correct. 6 is the correct answer. Holly, 6. Oh, the reindeer are tied.
We gotta have a tiebreaker, don't we? like crab days?
Not like that.
No, drop that. Whatever you do, don't drop it. No, don't spill it. Don't spill it.
That's why I didn't, obviously, because you said. Yeah. There's lots of things.
Well, the things you learn about each other. When the guys are hanging out around the grill, you sometimes learn things. And so Mitch and I learned.
And what I've learned is, whatever you see in the dog is probably somewhat representative of the owner. With creamy caramel sauce.
Sounds like your dog must have.
He won the big dog category. Betsy won the small dog.
Airstream Christmas socks.
So Eric McMurphy, you've been elected to fulfill to the best of your abilities the duty of president. If so, please say I do.
I do.
Your number.
You won the grill.
You did the grill and the
And the
Oh my goodness. What we got here?
Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, now.
Just at giving us support and laughing together through various text messages and stuff like that as we were planning and preparing. So we just wanted to say thank you to them.
Oh, night divine.
It's pretty cool. For those who enjoy this, it's a great opportunity to be together. And that, I think, is a part of the story of Christmas. The God who loves us sends Jesus to prepare us for a future here and forevermore.
Oh, night. Oh, night divine.
Everyone's cleaning up. Everyone's helping. There we go.
Mitch is a 6-year-old Bernedoodle, she's a female, and she has come to our show today all natural. Mitch loves to put on the most dramatic puppy dog eyes when cuddling up to every new person she meets. She's a smart dog, and she loves attention, as you can see. All right, there you go. I love being up front. I love the stage. That's what she said. Oh, the dog's name is Lucy. She's a 3-year-old Cocker Spaniel. Lucy is wearing a Santa suit. She loves whenever the truck starts up, and the dog runs straight to the truck because she knows she's going on an Airstream trip. Justin's dog's name is Pierpont. Now, you have to say Pierpont. Pierpont. It's going to be very formal. He's a 4-year-old German-Australian Shepherd. Pierpont is wearing the most recent piece from Mrs. Santa Claus's Helper's collection. It features an authentic piece of her husky suit and a replica Santa position in such a way as that it appears though he's riding in his sleigh. Now, the next dog owner is Dell Jones. Dell is bringing in her dog Dover. It's 7.5 years old. He is a toy poodle. He is wearing a black curly fur natural poodle coat topped by a National Lampoon Christmas Vacation sweater. The next dog belongs to Holly McMurphy. Her dog's name is Betsy. She is a 4-year-old Chihuahua. This pint-sized pup is absolutely adorable, dressed in a festive shimmering red dress. The bodice is adorned with delicate red sequins that catches delight. The skirt of the dress is fluffy, made of layers of tulle in a soft, rich red, giving it a charming, full look that bounces with each step. Nina. All right. Okay, poodle. Very pretty dog.
He's 5 years old, and he's the most skittish dog you've ever met. And Jack is so much fun. He's our weird dog. He just wears weird things. Oh, honey, I love you, baby. Yeah. And right now he's dressed as Papa Claus, and his brother, his actually almost 15-year-old brother is Rudolph.
This is Charlie. He's a 14-year-old rat terrier Chihuahua. And for the holidays, he is a big supporter of the Houston Texans. He's wearing his jersey.
And our final entrant into our pageant is owned by Kim Savage. She is a 1-year-old, maybe our youngest, mini schnauzer. Her name is Darlin.
She's so darling.
And Darlin is wearing her fashionista pink and white Rudolph sweater with her party hat that matches her blue eyes. Darlin has her own social media page. It's called the Darlin Diaries, Airstream Adventures, where she writes about her owners.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. That's fine.
That's awesome.
Well, Santa Claus